Hi Sweet Blossoms, I'm back with this cute pouch. It's made with two motifs. One motif is 3D flower and one motif is simple. Okay, you can find the tutorial of the 3D flower motif in my previous video that I shared the link of it for you in description below. Make sure you've already crocheted the flower motif first and then come back in this video and let's crochet this pouch together. You can place your AirPods, monies, or anything you like, the cute things and small things in it, and also you can hang it on your bag. Let's get started. Okay, start with the magic ring, wrap a yarn around your hook, make an X, insert your hook under it, grab a yarn, bring the yarn out, and now make a chain here. Now make 3 chains, add 1 double crochet, then make 2 more double crochet in the magic ring. Okay, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring the yarn out. Now pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Okay, make another double crochet in the ring and now make 2 chains. This is our first corner. Okay, now make 3 more double crochet in the magic ring. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Again, make 2 chains. This is our second corner of the square. Okay, again make 2 chains for the third corner and 3 double crochet for the last side of the square. Now we're gonna making 1 chain for the last corner, 1 chain, and join with the single crochet to the third chain of the first. In the third chain, make a single crochet. Okay, this single crochet on the previous chain, make our 2 chain space of the last corner. Close the hole by pulling the loop, hold it very well, and now hide it between the stitches. This one I'm using the hook for the fasten off and hiding my tail of the yarn by making the chains. Look, and after that secure it between the stitches, and after that cut the tail of the yarn. Okay, okay, for the round 2, make 3 chain. Here is our first round. For the round 2, make chain 3 and 1 double crochet in the chain space that we made here. And now make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches, next 3 stitches. Okay, first, second, and third one. Now into the next chain space, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 chains, and 2 double crochet. All these stitches must be made in the corner space. Okay, now we're gonna repeat this diagram. 1 double crochet in the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now in the corner space, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet into each next stitches. In the corner space, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet. And for the last corner, make 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches. Okay, if you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and tap the notification bell. Okay, in the last corner, make 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and join with the single crochet in the first stitch here in the 3rd chain. Okay, here is our second round. For the round 3, make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the chain space here, and now make 1 double crochet into the each stitches. Okay, into each next 7 stitches. Okay, which color would you choose for your own dreamy pouch? Tell me in comments below. I love to know that. Okay, in the next corner space, make 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochet. Again, make 1 double crochet into the each next 7 stitches, and in the corner 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochet. In the end, make 2 double crochet in the corner space, 1 chain, and join with the single crochet to the 3rd chain. Okay, for the round 4, in the last round, make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the same chain space. Now make 1 double crochet into the each next 11 stitches. In the corner, make 2 double crochet, for joining to the other square, we must make 3 chains here in the last round, and then make 2 more double crochet in the corner space. Okay, then into this round, we're gonna making 2 double crochet, 3 chains, and 2 double crochet in the corner spaces, and 1 double crochet into the each 11 stitches. Okay, in the end, in the last corner space, make 2 double crochet. Now make 1 chain and join with the half double crochet to the 3rd chain of the first. Okay, wrap it around your hook, bring yarn out, and pull through all the loops. Okay, now make 1 chain, turn back, flip your work to the wrong side. Now we're gonna join 2 squares together, place them side by side like this, and now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each stitches of both sides. Okay, in the corner space, insert your hook into the both side, make a single crochet, then make 1 single crochet into the both stitches. Look, insert your hook into the first stitch of the both side, bring it out, and make a single crochet. Do this for the all stitches. Insert your hook into the stitch from the both side, grab a yarn and bring it out and make a single crochet. Okay, this until the end. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comments. Okay, in the next corner, make 3 single crochet in the both chain space of the both side, and now 1 single crochet into the each next stitches of the both side. Okay, just like the first side, and the 3rd side just like the first side again, and skip the 4th side. Okay, I joined the 3 sides together in the last corner here, make 1 single crochet, and now we're gonna making the one side. Okay, make a chain, and in the chain space here, look, in the chain space of the flower side, make single crochet and make one single crochet into the each next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let me count. Okay, 7. Now make 2 chains, skip 1 stitch, and make 1 single crochet into the each next stitches until the end. Okay, in the corner space, make 2 single crochet, skip the joining line, go to the back side here in the corner space, in the chain space, make 2 single crochet, and now make 1 single crochet into the each next 8 stitches. Now for the wallet strap, we're gonna making 13 chains, and now join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet, single crochet here. Make a slip stitch in there, and after that make 1 single crochet into each next stitches. Okay, make 2 single crochet in the chain space and cut the tail of the yarn. Now I'm gonna make my ending my row by hook, insert my hook into the first single crochet, flip your work into the wrong side, bring yarn out from there, and insert your hook into the back loop and third loop of the other side, the first single crochet, bring it out, and now make a slip stitch in here, and then fasten up and hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches. Okay, you can do this with the needle if you want. Secure the tail of the yarn between the stitches and cut it, and done. Okay, that's it. We've just finished this lovely pouch using one 3D flower motif and one simple granny square motif. It's a small project but full of charm that you can make it of your leftover yarns, perfect for gift or keeping for yourself, or sell it if you want. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss out on upcoming tutorial. Love you all, happy crocheting, see you next time, bye.